anybody guess what I am preparing? I just cut up onions and peppers. About to clean and chop this garlic. I have a pork tenderloin that I smoked, and we still got like half of it, so I'm going to use that. So it's like quite a lot of meat. I'm going to chop that up. And I'm also chopping up this broccoli. Can you guess what I'm making? I have a question. I have a thing where if I'm annoyed, aggravated, or not in the mood, I can't cook. Like, cooking should be something that's done in love, or if I'm just not in a good energy or a good headspace, it's hard for me to cook certain meals that take time for me to just, put love in it. They say cook it with love. Like, you can tell when food is made with love and food was made just like thrown on in the pot and thrown on the plate. I like to cook with love because cooking to me means a lot more than just making a meal. It's something like a therapy for me when I'm prepping and cooking and doing everything. So for me, I want y'all to talk to me in the comments. Is it an issue for you to cook and not be in the mood and not be in a good headspace, or be upset or angry or whatever the case may be? Do you think that your food turns out different? Do you feel like it doesn't taste as good as when you're taking your time and you're prepping and doing everything the way you want to do it? I feel like it is a huge difference. I feel like it's a big difference between wanting to in the great headspace and preparing a meal for your loved ones versus just not feeling like it or just annoyed. I noticed that a lot of times my baked goods or my meals don't come out right when I am literally not in the mood or not feeling it. So yeah, I just wanted to share this and see if y'all can guess, and then later or probably tomorrow I'll share the meal that I'm cooking. This is something my girl's been requesting, and I kept saying I'm gonna do it. So I'm getting ready to do it now. And guess in the comments, what do you think I'm cooking, and let me know what are you having for dinner tonight. So I'm going to pause it, cut up the rest of the stuff, show you all of it, and then you tell me what you're cooking and tell me what you think this is going to be. Love you too. All right, can you guess? Can you guess? All right, guys, I'm getting ready to leave you guys. Guess in the comments. Later, gators.